here's the question. Over here, we start with PQW, which is given by over here, this thing where the paropsy, basically the shorter end of the ellipse, is going to be the direction where we make it 2D. So we're trying to get a 2D. And here is how you do it. So we have the magnitude, but we need to put direction in it. Because it's 2D, we can use polar coordinates, which means you can use cosine and sine. After that, you have to plug that into the rotational matrix to get ECI, because we're trying to go back to ECI. So over here, you see this big equation, and you plug in that over here. You plug this over here, and you realize that this like a dot product is this way with that. So this is 0. And then you keep on going over here. No, not the whole thing, just this part is 0. Because you realize this 0 is multiplied by this row over here, basically, because of how matrix multiplication works. Which simplifies the question because you ultimately get this bottom over here. And ultimately, after that, I just have to give you the initial like angle approximation that you got by observation or something, or they wanted to be in this range. Anyways, after that, you plug it into all these tiny over here. I just use MATLAB honestly because this is a pain in the ass to do it by hand, but even with a calculator. So you grab this and get this answer over here. So generally speaking, this over here is the question. All you have to do is plug in because um, well, I mean, I thought it was a pain in the ass to actually get this. Actually, it wasn't that much pain in the ass, but I still thought it was a pain in the ass, and really didn't help you more to understand it. I don't think that's why I just decided this whole thing is a given, and you just have to do the last part. But I'm not sure because this part is more physics than anything else. But yeah, this is a math section, as we said. So I didn't want to put more in there. There's a few more rotational question in aerospace, like airplane, yaw, pitch, and but I could do that. Do I want to? I'm not sure, but we can do that. There's a few other question aerospace I can do. So I'm done now. So I'm gonna stop my recording, and then we're done.